And after we finish about the generation, let's see how to replace the style for the whole cabinet. Okay, so we can go into the style replacement. So we can change the body material, choose the color. Okay, this one. And also you can change for door style. So we can search the door style. So we can just choose this one. And change the door material. Okay, after finish about this, and also we can change for the handle style. Okay, right here, search. And we can apply this style to the drawers. Can go to the material brush, choose the style brush. Okay, click door style, apply them on the drawers. Okay. When it turns to blue means it's being chosen. Okay. So we need to apply to the rest. And just look these two wall cabinet. We need to change for door style into an aluminum with glass, right? So we can change into this one. Then we can just duplicate. And we can change for its material. And then we can just duplicate. Okay, as you can see in the middle, we have some different color of the chef. And let's see if we can change for its color. So you can see we cannot replace for this. So we can just delete it. And we can find the chef in parts. We can put inside of the chef. So we can just choose the chef to put inside of this cabinet. And we can copy the material first. So after you click it, there is a panel area. Click it. Then we can input quality. You can see this, and as you can see, we just put a 3 chef and divide this space into 3 parts. And also we can just do that again. Just pick this one, copy it, put it to another cabinet, and click it. Input quality. So we got this internal design with panels. Okay. So after we finish this case, we are going to export the joins and the quotation